Oscar. Today we will discuss on how to create a rock solid teamwork. If you have any team and if you want to upgrade your team's performance, this is a right video tutorial for you. What is team? Let's say team are the collection of individuals and their effort to accomplish a common goal and task. What does the team means? T-E-A-M, team, W-O-R-K, work. So let's see what may be the best suitable acronym for team. Team is one of the periphery and bonding of each other to create, accomplish, share vision and goal. Team means it is a timeliness. Team means it is result-oriented, tangible, benefit-giving approach. Team means it is really maintaining the transparency and moving on. Not only that, have you seen the team of cricket, football, hockey, kabaddi, hadudu, etc.? So all need is mental boosted mind and physical boosted body. So everyone will be energetic, everyone should be enthusiastic, everyone should be engaged to perform their best to accomplish with the winning attitude. They should have aspiration, they should have attitude, right time, right place, right contribution to win that. Not only that, every team member should be really mindful, motivation and aligned with meaningful action so that individual contribution can be collected, amalgamated, consolidated to get the overall performance achieved. Not only that, team is always in the opportunity hunting. How we can create, how we can motivate, how we can add value so that overall the performance will be enhanced. And not only that, team always meaning harmonization of the knowledge, kindness, humbleness, ready to serve so that the overall satisfaction of the customer will be enhanced and the CX or customer satisfaction level will be enhanced. So this is all about team. And if you want to have a great team to be created or developed, you need to put some basic ground rule into the practice so that your team can be converted as high performing team. So what does the high performing team means? High performing team means it is always ready to serve. High performing team means it is having a fearless mind. High performance team means it is get ready for accepting the reality and take plan B, plan C approach so that it will be really make impossible converted into possible by converting the challenges into opportunity. It is all about anywhere, anytime access with the flexible and dynamism. So what does the high performing teams have as a feature? They have got quick decision making power, they have got quick analytical mind with problem solving skill, they have usually got effective skill for quick problem solving and moving ahead with knowledge harmonization. Now let's see what does individual should practice as a ground rule to make the team performance enhance or making the high performance team. First is common understanding of the goal, objective, what need to be actually achieved. Then fearlessness. If there is a shy team member, this is the other team members' responsibility to uplift that in the benchmark. Otherwise the team performance will go down. Next comes is professional bonding and healthy relationship. Healthy competition. Okay, he is doing, so I can also do, with a strong belief system so that they can learn, they can put that practice, they can relearn, unlearn and go into that. Next is strategizing. If plan A is not fulfilling, so what will be my other plan B approach? Taking the responsibility and accountability to make things happen, not only waiting for things to happen. So finally, these are the individual contribution. If you put that into daily practice, and you will be seeing the miraculous effect. And what is the team members, team leaders, HODs role and responsibility? They are the captain overall managing the whole team. So they will be thriving for creating the bonding stronger and stronger, so that they will have a clarity what exactly they need to perform. They have a clarity, the goal, objective and why part. Meaning they will be very much clear why they will be doing, and then how and what will be really emphasized on. They will be really emphasized on the timeline, when to start, when to finish, so that other can take and move forward. Have you seen the relay race? The concrete synchronization that makes the team winning in any race, right? And the strategy, who will play in what position and who will be backup of what's, that's the team members' responsibility, and that is being decided by the captain or team lead, so that he will not be dependent on any person. If any person is not able to cope that up due to the busyness of other schedule, who can really come and jump to accomplish the task. Not only that, responsibility delegation, transparency that we are talking about, and appreciation. Because every team member, when they are putting their 150% and then performance is going up, bar is raised, and they are refining their knowledge with the harmonization, then once the mission is really accomplished, then the responsibility of team lead is to appreciate others, so that they can get inner motivation, inner aspiration, and they can be ready for their uplifting capability to take new challenges and move on. Escalate when things are not moving, because the hierarchy of the organization is always result oriented. So if result is not actually coming up due to the dependency of others, escalate to the right forum so that things will get it done. So get it done by the team is the main quote and unquote key mantra of a team leader or team manager. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn the actual team of creating and developing high performing team for your enhancement of the organization and individual performance, good news for you, we have organized one uplifting and capability enhanced course for creating and developing rock solid high performance team with the winning mindset and next generation ready. I wish you, I welcome you to join the course, experience the tool and technique, practice that into your daily life, so that you can really create a breakthrough yet to come, create your future really bright, not waiting for favorable time to come, rather you can really make your life to be favorable. Wishing you the best, and join us in your course. See you there.